Hi, hello friends. I'm your Vamshi Krishna. Welcome to my channel. You are watching LVK Education YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to learn short answer questions in first chapter nutrition from 10th biology. Friends, please watch until the end of the video, and if you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon to get notifications of my videos when I upload. Nutrition lesson. What could be the end products of the process of photosynthesis? Glucose, water and oxygen are the end products of photosynthesis. Do plants having reddish or yellowish leaves also carry out photosynthesis? Yes, chlorophyll is one among the several other pigments present in chloroplast. All these pigment molecules, including chlorophyll, are required for photosynthesis. What are the major steps of digestion? The major steps of digestion are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and defecation. What made plants carry out photosynthesis while even green colored animals could not? Chlorophyll and other pigment molecules trap solar energy, convert it into chemical energy in the thylakoid membranes in chloroplast. But animals having green color on their body cannot trap solar energy and cannot perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is possible only in plants but not in animals. Do you think the new reddish leaves of a plant also carry out photosynthesis? What could be the role of their color? Chlorophyll is one among several other pigments present in chloroplasts. All these pigment molecules, including chlorophyll, are required for photosynthesis. These pigment molecules, including chlorophyll, are required for photosynthesis. These different molecules are arranged in a specific manner, facilitating the process of photosynthesis. The reddish leaves of plants also carry out photosynthesis. What questions will you ask a doctor to know about malnutrition? What is malnutrition? What are the causes of malnutrition? What are the types in malnutrition? How can we overcome the malnutrition? One student takes high caloric food, another student takes less caloric food, but both are affected with diseases. Name the diseases by which they are affected. Student takes high caloric food affected by obesity. Student takes less caloric food affected with marasmus. Mention the two chemicals which you used in an experiment to test the presence of starch in the leaf. The chemicals used in an experiment to test the presence of starch in the leaf are methylated spirit, iodine solution. Write two slogans for campaign on malnutrition. Be cool and say no to fast food. Be smart, eat smart. Eat healthy, look healthy, feel healthy. What questions do you ask to your teacher to know about the obesity and its consequences? What are the reasons for obesity? How to reduce the body weight? What are the consequences of obesity? What type of food you suggest to people suffering from obesity? Prepare 4 questions for the gastroenterologist to know the problems that occur in digestive system. Why do the people suffer from indigestion problems? Why do we get vomitings? Why do we get bulking? Why do we get ulcers in stomach? What is acidity? If we chew the grains like wheat, jowar, rice, we feel sweet. Why? When we chew the grains like wheat, jowar and rice, we feel sweet because the salivary amylase present in the saliva break complex food materials, that is starch, into maltose, which is a sugar, hence we feel sweet. Then when we chew grains like wheat, jowar and rice. What is autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition is that a type of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, using sunlight as a source of energy. What are the major phases in photosynthesis? The two major phases found in photosynthesis are, one is light reaction and second one is dark reaction. Why are chloroplasts green in color? Chloroplasts are green in color due to presence of a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. What are the examples for parasitic organisms? Cuscuta, lice, leeches and tapeworms. Name the three pairs of salivary glands. What is the enzyme secreted by them? The three pairs of salivary glands in mouth are pituitary glands, submandibular glands, sublingual glands. The enzyme secreted by salivary glands is amylase. How the food from esophagus moves into the stomach. Food passes through esophagus by waves-like movements called peristaltic movements and reach the stomach. What is chyme? Chyme is a soft, slimy substance of food in which some proteins and carbohydrates have breakdown. What is absorption? Transport of the products of digestion from the walls of intestine into blood, called absorption. What are the parts of human digestive system? Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. What is malnutrition? Eating of food that does not have one or more than one nutrients in required amount is known as malnutrition. What are the two sources of vitamins to our body? One is diet and other is bacteria present in the intestine synthesis and supply the vitamins. What are the causes for vomiting? Causes of vomiting: overeating, especially when the food contains high proportion of fat or oil. When we eat something very indigestible or poisonous. Pregnant ladies are advised to eat leafy vegetables and take folic acid pills. Why? Folic acid is the part of the B complex family of vitamins. Dark green leafy vegetables are good source of folic acid. Folic acid is often prescribed for the pregnant woman because it is essential for the normal development of the brain and spinal cord of the fetus. It also helps in protection against the birth defects. It also required for the synthesis of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Hence, pregnant ladies are advised to eat leafy vegetables and take folic acid pills. How can we avoid indigestion? We can avoid indigestion by having simple and well balanced meals, eating them in a leisurely manner, thoroughly masticating the food, avoiding doing violent exercise soon afterwards. Why is bile juice considered important even though it doesn't contain any digestive enzymes? Bile juice is important for the following reasons. It contains bile salts and bile pigments that emulsify fats, contains sodium bicarbonate that neutralize the acidic medium of the food in small intestine. Why is photosynthesis important to global warming? In photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into chemical energy and is stored in plants as starch. Plants also store excess sugars by synthesis of starch. Heterotrophs including humans may completely or partially consume plants for fuel and raw materials. Photosynthesis is responsible for the presence of oxygen in atmosphere. Each year, photosynthesis synthesizes approximately 160 billion metric tons of carbohydrates. Okay friends, these are the short questions from nutrition lesson. Okay friends, if you like the video, please put a like, and for more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel LVK Education, and also share to your friends and your relatives. Thank you for watching.